Oh,
Oh,
he's naughty today.
there is no reason to be so naughty today. You were the bestest boy yesterday. Have you fed him today?
Maybe.
Okay. Cheesy Puffs is on the menu. I think you're going to love them. I really got them for me.
Oh, dropped it.
Where did the Cheesy Puff go? Did it go to my shirt? Just calm your riches down, sir. Here's Bubba's Cheesy Puff. You are going to have to calm way down. You're on my foot. I'm trying to... Snack time is about to be over. We're done with that mess. Buzz, you're going to have to come to me. Brother is not sharing so well. I do it like that. You're stopping right now. That naughty, naughty boy. Buzz, come here. No. What if I said sit? You know what that behavior means? I know you think you like them. Don't you act up. Don't. Or share it. No. Last one. Daddy said stop moving. Other people like Cheeto Puffs too. So much for good behaviors.
Yeah,
I thought we were doing better.
Not so much today.
He really, I mean, I act this way about Cheeto Puffs too. So Can you blame a boy? Can you blame a boy? All right, are we about done? Uh-oh. Coco? Can't bend down. He gets angry. Oh, we're down to 2. Are you good with that? I won't share the last 2. All right, one more. I don't have any more. Look. They're all gone. What do you rate them? Cheeto all over the nose. Say 10 out of 10. We love Cheeto Puffs. They're a keeper.